Hold, doctor.
Hold the mirror.
No. Cut. You see in the mirror only.
Mirror.
You see in the mirror. Then you can see the differences. Relax. You have to relax. You're holding it tight. Okay, so this area is where we have improved. Can you see the vertical height and the chin? Then you can see the side view. And this will go inside, doctor, a little bit because it's still swelling. That's where the cut is. There's some swelling there. Can you look at that side? Again, you can see the difference. Turn a little bit more. So this double chin has gone, you know. See? Already this is gone. Then again, you can see very clear double chin here. It's totally gone. Look at this. It's totally gone. And also the lip, this was inside, now it is almost straight line.
Yeah, this is fine.
Yeah.
So, what is?
That's all the swelling. I will show you. इनका post-op scan नहीं हुआ ना? Did we take a CBCT scan after your surgery? No. So what we'll do is we'll take a scan now, and I'll show you that the cuts are just there. So where the cuts are on the bone, you know, it tends to swell a little bit more. But that will settle down. Anyway, we'll take a scan and show you that also. अभी ले लो उनको फटाफट. Quickly take a scan and come back. Are you leaving today or tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Morning?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll take the scan now and show you. No need, I think. I'll check the scan and tell you. I think she looks fine. There's no collection, there's nothing. It's just very nicely healed. That's good. You still have to take all the medications we have given. You know, painkiller and all of these things. Nothing. In fact, you need only rest. Okay.
Go for solid food.
No. 4-5 days, little liquid. Semi-solid is okay. Not lot of chewable food. Scans. आप इनके पास जाइए. They'll take the scans. We'll check the scan and show you. So you'll understand also where the screws are, where the cut is, where is the nerve and everything.
So, what if this masseter thing comes?
That masseter, because you have already put Botox and all. No, I have not touched the masseter. I told you.
No, like if it grows back and all, you can manage.
If it grows back, it will look not so nice. But you'll have to put Botox again, or I'll have to do something to the masseter. We have not done anything for your masseter this time.
But it take time.
Yeah, because you said you've already put the Botox. I have not done anything on the masseter.
Sir, you gave new life to my daughter, sir.
Is she happy?
Yeah.
You're happy. That's the important thing.
She had some pulling force she was complaining. That's gone. That's all.
Yeah. No, she's looking very nice, and also it gives her much more balance. And this swelling, once it goes, she'll look even more pretty. So don't worry. We'll take the scans now, so we'll
This
show
time
you.
will go, sir?
Yeah, so it will go most of it, because if you see, it's already soft tissue. What you feel inside bone, that won't go. Only the soft tissue will go. Here, if you see, little bit soft tissue is there here also. Where the cut is there, the bone, I'll show you. There will be some swelling, but by and large, you'll have a nice sleeker angle, projection, and इनका स्कैन निकालो तो इनका भी मैं कंपैरिजन कर देता हूँ. वो दूसरा पेशेंट का हो गया स्कैन हो गया ना, तो उसका भी स्कैन मेरे को दिखाना है. नहीं, उनका जो अभी ठीक है. Alright, so you go with them, take a scan and come back.